What's up coders, Alireza here, and today we are gonna build more real stuff one line at a time. This isn't just another programming channel. Here we are building real world stuff together, starting from scratch. By the way, I'm Alireza, a .NET developer from Iran, and like many of you, I'm constantly learning, building, breaking things, and rebuilding them again. This series starts with a project named CSharp, a platform for managing digital print shop. I'm building this project using CSharp, ASP.NET, and Entity Framework Core. And for the database, I'm using SQL Server. And the goal is not just to build features, but to make it maintainable, testable, and scalable. In this project, I'm keeping the architecture clean and modular, so you'll see layers like services, data access, and controllers. What does this method do? Resize image takes an input image, resizes it to a specific width while maintaining the original aspect ratio, and saves it as a JPEG. It uses the ImageSharp library, resizes the image with a high-quality example, Lang3, strips metadata to reduce file size, and saves the result with JPEG quality set to 80, balancing image clarity and storage efficiency. The method also ensures the output folder exists and handles error with a clear exception if something goes wrong. Overall, it's a clean, efficient way to generate sharp, lightweight thumbnails. Maybe you're interested why I'm using C# and ASP.NET. First of all, I'm in love with Microsoft and C# because it's fast, powerful, and I enjoy the workflow. After the image resizer task is done, now I need to make the product carousel dynamic. So first, I fetch the products with the required information and thumbnail images. And then I display all of them in a view with a loop, a for each loop. So whether you are learning .NET or just curious about how devs work behind the scenes, you are in the right place. This is just the beginning, so if you are interested in learning through real code, subscribe and hit the like button. And let's build something awesome together.